So you want to make money from home, but you have no idea where to start. Literally nothing at all comes to mind. Basically, the thought of making money and coming up with an idea have you scratching your hair. Literally. In this video, we're going to change all that. Let's get to it.
Hey, Chief. We got us one, bro.
Already.
This is that motivation right here.
Yes, sir.
You know, the people need that motivation.
Tenfold.
Everybody going through something, you know what I mean?
Good day. It's your boy, better yet your man, Markel Primes, home business coach and mentor, one half of the talk show Talks Over Drinks, Mr. RVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still make money from home. Okay, you guys, so this one right here, this is a crazy one. Well, crazy for some, may not be crazy for others. So I've been wanting to do this video for a while now. I've come across this online a little bit ago, and I said this would be the perfect type of video to do to show how you can make money from home doing anything you want. I don't care what it is that you like. So looking at this video right here, we're starting off on YouTube, right? So in this video, we're gonna look into how we can make money starting out on YouTube with something that some people might find to be weird and others may find entertaining, soothing, something that relaxes them. Now, I don't want you guys to just take my word for it. I want you to look over here at the analytics, over here on the right. So as you can see, and if you can tell from this picture, you know what we're looking at. This is a woman's scalp. Now, I want you to look at this over here. If you think that I'm joking, if you think that it's not possible, if you think that there's not an audience for certain products, services, or anything that somebody can think of, 3.1 million total views. And I'm gonna show you a little clip of this. We're not going to watch too much, but I'm gonna show you exactly what 3.1 million viewers have watched. And you can see they got some likes on Facebook, got over 4,000 comments. And let me just scroll down just so you can see the full extent of, how popular this may be. So looking at the title, it's called My Biggest Flakes Ever Part 2, Scalp Scratching and Picking, Satisfying Dandruff Removal ASMR. Now, I've never even said this combination of words together like that, so I got a little tongue-tied. But as you can see, over 3 million views. This was back in 2019 that this video originally was posted, but it got over 3 million views. Now, I don't know too many people that's hitting on 1 million views, no matter what type of business they're doing. It could be, watching a crime go down. Everybody likes to watch tragedies and burning buildings and all kinds of stuff like that. But a lot of times, even those type of videos do not make it to over 3 million views. So 3 million views and over 16,000 likes on this. Now, the comparison to the views to likes, that's kind of low, but just to think that this video has gotten to 3 million views and 16,000 likes is just something that I would never have imagined until I actually came across this video and I said, let me watch it, let me see what's going on. And I was just blown away. But it gave me an idea on how to make money from home, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. I'm going to show you guys how you can, even if you don't make money from home, maybe this is something that you're really interested in and that you never thought that there was a market or an audience for. You may just want to do something for fun. This may just be something that you want to make a YouTube video about yourself, doing something that really entertains you, or you might want to entertain other people, because obviously this is entertaining to about 3 million people. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play a small clip so you can see exactly what's going on in this video, and then we're going to get into the how to make money from home, or at least do something that is fun and, you know, just out of the normal realm of what you may be into. Let's get to it. Alright you guys, so we're gonna stop that video right there. I just wanted you to see a small little tidbit of what some people actually like and enjoy. Now as you can see, this video is 7 minutes 52 seconds long, got over 3 million views, and it's about what you thought it was about. It's about dandruff. It's about scratching dandruff flakes out of your hair. Now, as it says in the title, satisfying dandruff removal ASMR. Now, anybody that knows anything about ASMR knows that there's a big community of people who love ASMR. Now, it's different versions, so there's sub niches within the ASMR world itself. This right here just happens to be one of them. There's others, but this right here, I have to say, is one of the, I don't want to say weirdest, but one of the ones that I never kind of expected people to really be into. But I can understand why. When you watch the video, you can hear the sound. It's the satisfying, I guess, sound or sensation that the sound gives, the scratching, that, you know, may be attractive to some people and relaxing and calming. But for whatever reason, it's gotten all of these views. Now let's move on from this video to going further down the line of how you can use this right here to possibly make money from home. Now, I got a couple of YouTube pages up because when I started looking into this, I started seeing different things. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to one of our favorite places before we look at the other two YouTube tabs. And if you heard the noise in the background, that's my laundry. So the dry is done. As you know, I'm working from home, so the house duties don't stop even though there's work to do. But of course, being able to work from home allows you to do that in the midst of doing your job. I don't have to be on the phone taking calls, so I don't have to worry about interruptions or anything like that, or having people feel like it's not a professional setting. So this right here is perfect for anybody that wants to be able to stay at home, work from home, still be able to take care of your family, sit on your couch, watch TV, watch a movie like I'm watching right now as I'm doing this video. But let's move forward. We're gonna go to our second destination, which if you don't have this already set up, I advise you guys to set it up right away. And you know where we're going to. We're going to Amazon. So of course, you know, I am an Amazon associate, and I do recommend that you go to Amazon.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and on the Amazon.com page, you'll see in the footer, it'll have somewhere along in this section right here where you can sign up to become an Amazon associate or affiliate. Of course, you guys know that I believe that affiliate marketing is king, and Amazon is one of the best places to start your affiliate marketing journey out, because it gives you access to millions and millions and millions of products. You're able to make money from home from any of these products. So we're going to start off right here at the top, as we always do, the product linking section. And since I already been on this page, I'm gonna just take you guys to one of the first products that I was searching for. So since the video involves dandruff, the first thing that I did was I put in a search for dandruff, and this right here was actually my second search for dandruff comb, seeing as though in the video she's scratching her hair, she's scratching the dandruff out, right? So we might want to find a product to promote that goes along with the scratching of the hair. I actually found one, but I'm gonna let you guys see all the choices of dandruff products that allows you to scrape and scratch that dandruff out of your hair. And as you can see, there's a lot of them, but I believe the one that I actually picked is this kit right here. So this right here says it's $5.59, but it's 6 pieces hair comb, fine removal combs, include 3 pieces metal teeth, 3 pieces double-sided teeth for grooming and removing dandruff flakes. So as you can see, it's assorted colors, and over here as usual we click that and we would get our link so that we can promote the product. Of course, I always go to shorten the link so that it's not such a long link that you put in your description of your YouTube videos or whatever you're promoting. If it's a website, web page, this is the link that you're going to actually use in order to get paid from this product. So okay, so we have one product, right, to go along with our video, with our product or our, our new business that we're starting. We're starting the business of dandruff removal. That's what this is going to be called. We're in the dandruff removal business. So we got to have our comb for the dandruff, and then the second product is I'm going to remove comb right there. We're just going to search dandruff, because of course you got a comb for your hair for the dandruff. Now we're going to use something, we're going to need something else, right? So matter of fact, just to help out, we're going to need some shampoo, some dandruff shampoo. I already picked out one from my search earlier. If it's not listed in here, I'm just going to copy and paste the name of that product that I was looking up. But as you can see, there's a lot of options. As a matter of fact, this is the product right here. It says $29.94. It's called Wow Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo and Hair Conditioner Set Increase Gloss, Hydration, Shine, Reduce Itchy Scalp, Dandruff, and Frizz. No parabens or sulfates, all hair types. This right here is a product that I wanted to choose because it looks like something that would do the job, that would help somebody who has bad dandruff and who may want to reduce that dandruff. But it also has a popular item listed in the ingredients: apple cider vinegar. So apple cider vinegar is very popular. A lot of people take it for, internally, for digestive issues, for detoxes. Apple cider vinegar is very universal in its uses. So when somebody who's familiar with apple cider vinegar sees a product like this, more than likely they'll be more inclined to buy it because it resonates with them. They know the power of apple cider vinegar, and they may not have ever thought about using it in a shampoo in order to get rid of dandruff. So this might be an easy product to promote, seeing as though it has an ingredient in it that's already very popular and people already believe in the power of it. So of course we would get the link for that right there, right? So now we have 2 products to promote that we can make money from. We have an example right here in this video of how popular this is when it comes to dandruff. Now, the people watching this video, they may all suffer from dandruff. They may just like the fact that of the scratching of the ASMR factor, but it's something about the dandruff in this video that resonates with them, And of course, in order to make money, what you want to do is find an audience, find a product that you can promote to that audience that's really tuned into it, and then move forward from there. You can make your own videos showing maybe if you have dandruff, how you relieve it with our newfound product. So you may want to order this product yourself, use it, get the results that you want. But before you get the results that you want, you may want to show off your current dandruff situation so that you have a before and after.